ASUS ROG Phone 6 and 6 Pro with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 165Hz screen and a big battery. ASUS has officially unveiled the next generation of gaming smartphones, the powerful ROG Phone 6 and ROG Phone 6 Pro, powered by Qualcomm's flagship processor and Android 12 operating system with ROG UI and Zen UI add-ons. Both versions are equipped with 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2448 pixels and a refresh rate of up to 165 Hz, and a touch layer response rate of 720 Hz. Peak brightness reaches 1200 CD per meter square, made from durable Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The front has a 12 megapixel camera with a Sony IMX663 sensor. The triple rear camera received the main 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 unit and a 13 megapixel module with a wide angle optics and a 5 megapixel sensor for microphotography. Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip with 8 cores up to 3.2 GHz is used. The amount of RAM is 12 or 16 GB. The capacity of flash drive is 256 or 512 GB. Modification ROG 6 Pro will also be offered in a variant with 18 GB of RAM. In addition, this device has a programmable AMOLED display on the back of the case. ROG Phone 6 and ROG Phone 6 Pro have received an improved cooling system, additional air trigger, ultrasonic buttons for controlling games, front speakers and 2 USB Type-C ports including a side one. Responsible for power is a 6000 mAh battery with 65 watt fast charging. The price of ASUS ROG Phone 6 varies from 1000 to 1300 euros. Buyers will be able to purchase a variety of accessories, namely the Aero Active add-on cooler, ROG Kunai controller, ROG Cetra True Wireless and ROG Cetra True Wireless Pro fully wireless headphones. Let's have a look at some of the detailed features of ASUS ROG Phone 6 and ASUS ROG Phone 6 Pro. The design and style. The ROG Phone 6 was designed with an adventurous mindset, going beyond its cyberpunk roots to explore the greater cosmos. This next generation gaming phone is your high-tech companion for your voyage through space and time with its blend of geometric simplicity and cutting-edge technology. RGB. With the ROG Phone 6 futuristic Aura RGB illumination, you can unleash your inner gamer using two distinct colors at the same time. The renowned ROG Fearless I-Dot Matrix emblem on the back can be given wonderful color gradient appearance. You may also customize the lighting with a wide range of colors and many pre-programmed mood lighting schemes. Performance. Power. Be prepared for the unrivaled power of the Qualcomm 8 Plus Gen 1 mobile platform. Its unparalleled performance places it in a league of its own, with the clock speed now increased to a mind-boggling 3.2 GHz, with up to 15% better CPU performance and 20% more power efficiency than the previous Snapdragon 888 on the ROG Phone 5. The world-renowned Armoury Crate Performance Manager unlocks even more performance and tuning capabilities, giving the ROG Phone 6 complete command of this incredible CPU's ability to conquer any task. Thermal. The ROG Phone 6 enhanced Game Cool 6 cooling system has an optimized thermal design that cools the CPU from every direction. 3 separate cooling technologies are employed in GameCool 6 to increase stability of demanding games. The boron nitrate BN thermal compound on one side of the CPU, for example, decreases thermal throttling during brief gaming sessions. Second, the larger vapor chamber and graphite sheets efficiently drain heat from the other side of the CPU during mid-length gaming sessions. Finally, for long-term stability, the new Aero Active Cooler 6 includes an AI-powered active cooling system that employs a Peltier cooling element that offers additional surface cooling with a fan positioned precisely over the location of the system on a chip SoC. All new 360-degree CPU cooling technology. The most crucial responsibility for the first 15 minutes of gameplay is to ensure that heat from the CPU is transferred to all thermal components for dissipation. The 3300 milligrams of BN thermal compound transmits heat from the side of the CPU opposite the vapor chamber, dispersing heat from the chip significantly more efficiently and assuring peak CPU and GPU performance for a constant gaming frame rate. Display. Vision. The ROG Phone 6 sports a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with unrivaled display quality and incredible low latency for superior visuals. The ROG Phone 6 excels at both pin-sharp gaming and HDR video playback. The ROG Phone 6 now has 165Hz refresh rate and a 720Hz touch sampling rate to achieve low latency gaming and ultra responsive input with less possibility of inadvertent touches for a super smooth, flawless gaming experience. Superb visuals. In addition to world-beating color accuracy, the screen on the ROG Phone 6 is protected by ultra-tough Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, and the Eye Care display technology protects your eyes. ROG Phone 6 is designed to win in any situation. Control. Air Trigger. The Air Trigger 6 has been extensively improved to provide you with even more advanced control options. The ultrasonic sensors completely enable a variety of gestures, including new ones like dual action, press and lift, and gyroscope aiming. The Air Trigger 6 innovative design provides a control experience that rivals console-level gaming. Gyroscope aiming. The gyroscope on the ROG Phone 6 may now be used to control the angle of view. Simply press and hold the ultrasonic button first and then move or tilt the phone to control the viewing area. This function can provide you with rapid support in MOBA and shooting games. You can easily locate your adversary or explore the scene by simply turning your phone around. X-Haptic. The ROG Phone 6 boasts a high-end X-axis linear motor for intense haptic feedback, providing the most immersive gaming experience yet. Aero Active Cooler 6. The clip-on Aero Active Cooler 6 features an AI-powered thermoelectric cooler and a fan that directs additional cooling airflow to hotspot on the ROG Phone 6 back cover. As a result, it can reduce the service temperature near the CPU by up to 25 degrees Celsius. The Aero Active Cooler also includes 4 additional physical buttons for a true console-like control experience.
Kunai 3 Gamepad. If you want a truly console-like gaming experience, the ROG Kunai 3 Gamepad transforms the ROG Phone 6 into a handheld console, allowing you to have the most fun with a gaming phone.
System. Gaming. Armoury Crate is one of the most popular features of ROG phones. It has now been completely redesigned with a cooler looking and more modern UI that fits the visual style of the PC version. You may create and adjust scenario profiles for any program, not just games, and tune performance parameters individually. Game Genie. Game Genie, one of the most advanced gaming enhancing features available, has also received a new user interface. The complement of sci-fi and future style of ROG Phone 6 series, we made it look more like HUD of a spacecraft. Improve your ROG Phone 6 gaming experience to win. Edge Tool. The Edge tool is a shortcut that allows you to open floating windows rapidly, slide in from the right to open and use the sidebar. You can change the order of the apps displayed in the sidebar. It's never been easier to text someone while playing a mobile game. Side-mounted port. The ROG Phone 6 distinctive side-ported design is specifically engineered to keep cords out of the way of your gameplay so it never compromises your talents. Trend. ASUS ROG Phone 6 knows that gamers enjoy displaying their flair by using characters and scenes from their favorite games. ASUS has collaborated with some of the most prominent game developers to offer a set of animated theme packs that you can choose to make your ROG Phone 6 genuinely distinctive. Usability. Audio. The ROG Phone 6 Game FX audio system includes symmetrical dual speakers that fire forward for completely balanced stereo sound effects as well as convenient 3.5mm headphone connector. ROG Phone 6 is a unique beast, a gaming phone with extremely remarkable audio quality thanks to a collaboration with audio specialist Dirac. Aside from the superior sound quality, GameFX allows you to fine-tune the EQ bands for different situational effects such as game, music or cinema, so you can enjoy crystal clear sound effects and strong aural soundscapes that no other phones can match. High-resolution audio, very low latency processing are possible with wireless Bluetooth headphones thanks to Snapdragon sound technology and the aptX adaptive codec. Snapdragon Sound also employs aptX lossless technology to keep the original content bit for bit, resulting in music that is similar to original recording. Battery. The ROG Phone 6 massive 6000 mAh battery along with 65W USB power delivery hypercharge converter is an excellent combination for the on-the-go gaming. This combination can charge the ROG Phone 6 from 0% to 100% in 42 minutes. Advanced features such as constant charge, which allows you to adjust the charging speed, and bypass charging, which pauses charging the battery while gaming, all contribute to improved battery performance and battery longevity. Camera. The ASUS ROG Phone 6 back triple camera system adds professional grade quality to all your images regardless of the scenario. It has a 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 main wide angle camera with increased image quality and HDR processing, an ultra wide 13 megapixel secondary camera and a macro camera. HDR10 plus video options is one of the enhanced software features that will make your video quality stand out. A 12MP front camera is also included for high quality group selfies and live streaming of films. So what exactly is the difference between ASUS ROG Phone 6 and ASUS ROG Phone 6 Pro? Normally, the higher-end smartphones gets lavished with all the extra capabilities, but there is a surprising twist in this situation. The ROG Phone 6 is available in both Phantom Black and Storm White. However, ROG Phone 6 Pro is only available in the Storm White. Both devices have plenty of RAM to spare, so you don't have any trouble multitasking. There is a difference if you buy the Pro version. It has a whopping 18 GB of RAM, but the ordinary ROG Phone 6 has a massive 16 GB to play about with. While the ROG Phone 6 features a ROG Vision Color PMOLED display that can generate multiple images on the phone's back, the ordinary ROG Phone 6 only has a plain ROG logo lighted in RGB. When many of us consider purchasing a product, the price is the most important factor, and in this case of these two, that is really substantial distinction. The ROG Phone 6 costs about £899 or €999, while the ROG Phone 6 Pro costs £1,099 and €1,299. Do you think the ASUS ROG Phone 6 is one of the best phones ever made for gaming? Do let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.